Hello everyone, myself Priyabrata Mandal, PhD scholar under the guidance of Professor Sujay Chattopadhyay in the Department of Polymer and Process Engineering, IIT Roorkee. Currently I am working on Imprint 2 project which is sponsored by ACRB, Government of India. The aim of this project is one-step caustic production from green liquor of pulp and paper mill and avoid solid waste generation. Pulp and paper mill working on two cycles simultaneously. One is conventional pulping process. I am talking about chemical pulping, and another one is causticization process where lime is supplied with green liquor as you see from the diagram and caustic produced, but at the same time calcium carbonate is also precipitated. The lime can be regenerated from calcium carbonate by heating it up to 950 degrees centigrade, which is very cost intensive. But in India most of the paper mill are count as a small and medium cycle, so it is basically difficult for them to treat calcium carbonate into lime. As you see the image, the insert image is Star Paper Mill situated in Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh state, India, and the whitish damp yard is calcium carbonate. This is beside this paper mill. To overcome this issue and the motive of this project, we proposed that a membrane-based one-step caustic production using EED electrodialysis technique without generating any solid waste like calcium carbonate. And most of the important, remaining untreated green liquor can also be mixed with fresh green liquor and sent to EED cell to produce caustic. The right side image is one EED cell connected with all accessories like pump, power source, pipeline, test solution. This EED cell consists of one cation exchange membrane, two electrode, two flow promoters. DC current supplied through these two electrode. The EED experiment process parameters such as volumetric flow rate, membrane electrode distance, applied current, flow promoter, all these are optimized based on NaOH production, current efficiency, and as project time goes on, we increase the effective membrane area from 32 cm square to 200 cm square. We synthesized laboratory made cation exchange membrane and the performance is comparable to commercial Fumatech. Agro based green liquor is a rich source of silica, and during EED operation there might have some problem with silica precipitation inside the cell, so we modify the EED cell internally with taper section, then make the channel for periodic silica removal. Feed tank arrangement is another modification which increase the process efficiency. This is a simple EED setup containing one cathode, one anode compartment separated by a membrane. Green liquor is fed through anode compartment, whereas NaOH fed through another cathode compartment. A constant DC power applied through this electrode. The paper industry needs continuous NaOH production to operate digester in continuous mode. As per industry requirement, we move forward one more step for continuous NaOH production. Till date, we able to install 4 EED cell in a series connection, and for one pass, we able to achieve 20 gram per liter NaOH as well as more than 99% pure H2 gas, which was tested through gas chromatography. Now our plan is to increase the NaOH production by connecting such 15 to 20 such type of EED cell to fulfill the industry requirement things. And our future plan is this more than 99% pure hydrogen gas can be used in fuel cell workstation to produce electricity. These are some major instruments that we used to fulfill our project work, and some of them are purchased from Imprint project grant. Now come to the achievement. We already approached many paper industries to see our innovation and express their interest regarding our technique. Trident paper industry is already shown their interest to make a pilot plant using our technique. Except this, we filed 3 patents, 2 published and 1 provisionally filed. 3 articles are published in Q1 SC on journal, 2 articles are under review, and 1 is ready to submit.